Well, greetings all. We're coming at you from the camper van here. I'm going to step outside. I moved camp for my last video. I'm still in the same area, but I just moved camps. I got a friend coming in, Amanda from TideLine to Alpine. We met up, a couple years ago for the first time. So she's going to be rolling through here and needs a place to camp out for the night. So I gave her a GPS coordinate, and we'll see if she stops by here in a little bit. So I'm just getting settled in. I moved from my other camp, which is across the way a little bit. So I got some firewood. I haven't been having campfires. I usually don't in the desert. I mean, for one, there's just no wood to collect out here, and it gets pretty expensive to buy firewood for every night. So yeah, I'm gonna do a campfire tonight and try to get the charcoal grill out. Unfortunately, the wind is just starting to pick up. It was extremely calm, so I'm hoping afternoon it starts to calm down again. But yeah, this is camp, parked up next to this Joshua tree here. Got a little rock fire ring there. And I got a little bundle of firewood. I'm gonna get some kindling chopped up. And I got some food to grill up. I have my little charcoal grill, so I'm gonna slice up some zucchini and marinate it and then grill that. Got some stuff for salad. So I'll be able to do something for dinner here. Hopefully this wind dies down because it makes it a little chilly. Okay, there's those zucchinis there. We're gonna let those marinate for a few hours at least, if not more. They should be nice and flavorful. Hey, look who we got coming in here. Oh, I see Frank's head popping up there. A little dusty out here, huh, Frank?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, well, we gave him a second here to get settled in. Frank's got his bed out here. He seems nice and comfy. Hey, Frank, good to see you again, dude. It almost seemed like he remembered me, right?
He absolutely did.
That's so cool.
He freaked out. He was so excited.
So we're going to say hi to Amanda.
Hi.
Good to see you again, Amanda.
Yeah, great to
You've
see
been
you.
putting on some miles.
I sure have.
So how, do you know how far you've come so far?
How far is it to Quartzsite? 400 miles?
Yeah.
So then I've gone like 1,100, 1,200.
Wow, yeah. Yeah, you're on the home stretch now.
Yeah, 9
Nice.
days.
Cool. Well, we're going to hang out and chat for a little bit, but we'll check in a little later, guys. Okay, we got our charcoal all ready to go. I'm going to throw these zucchinis on that I sliced up and marinated. Hopefully they'll be pleasant. Oh, just dropped one.
Alright, you can choose between pineapple and orange with ginger and aromatic bitters, or grapefruit, cranberry, and orange with aromatic bitters.
Let's try ginger. I like ginger. Thank you. Okay, I'll give you half of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully those are decent. And then, yeah, I think with the glaze they'll be good. Should have saved some of the marinade to pour. Oh, I guess I have some right here. That'll glaze will be better. Salad. Well, you get to meet Bob Wells, the man, the myth.
Hey, yeah.
You will. They usually do the last day, like everyone that volunteers and everyone that help gets together at the stage, and Bob gets up there and does a spiel and thanks everybody, and then they hand out like patches and stuff like that.
Cool.
Yeah. And then usually once that's over, he hangs around for a minute, so we can chat. He's a neat guy.
I mean, he's doing meet and greets, but I wasn't planning to.
Yeah. No, you'll get a chance at the end. I mean, Sue-Ann, she's amazing. Like, they're all just such awesome people.
Yeah, one of the talks I'm doing is going to be with her, so.
Yeah, she's great. Oh, and we got her dressing. Oh, it's already in there.
Oh yeah, I like
Cool.
to mix it all up.
Nice. All right, this is what we're working with here. Amanda had some of this balsamic glaze that we poured over the zucchini. A little bag salad there. Again. Good morning, Frank. You had a good night in camp? A little chilly this morning, but not too bad.
Yeah.
How you doing this morning, Amanda?
I'm good.
Nice.
It's beautiful.
I just watched your video, your snowstorm video.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
They got a decent amount of snow there.
Yeah.
So you are on your home stretch here. How you feeling about that?
I'm very happy today's the last day.
Nice.
Very excited to supply at Trader Joe's before courtside.
How you feeling about the RTR? You nervous yet?
I think I'm less nervous now than I have been some days of the drive. I think now that I'm so close and that I will be there today, I'm more just excited.
Cool.
Curious to see what unfolds.
You're gonna do awesome.
Yeah,
You're
thank
gonna
you.
do awesome. So everyone check out Amanda's channel, TideLine to Alpine. She's gonna be posting some more of her trip down there and then what happens at the RTR.
Yeah.
Fortunately, I'm not gonna be able to make it down. I may like the last couple days, but it would cost me quite a bit. So awesome to see you, Amanda.
Thanks, Brian.
Yeah, I'll probably run into you again.
I hope so.
Yeah. How's that sun feel, Frank? I gotta get in the sun.
Better. There's your fried egg.
Fried egg? Ooh. One bite.
Yeah.
Did you taste it?
He loves them so much.
All right, well, it is departure time. We both got to break camp here. Amanda's got to get to courtside. I'm actually going to go meet up with my dad, but I was just letting Amanda know that, gosh, we crammed in a lot of really good conversation in a short amount of time. And it's just so good to know that there's people out there that can connect with and have good conversations, and you provided that.
Yeah, thank you.
Look forward to
I
hooking
really
up again
enjoyed
and
it.
connecting. Been
Yeah.
awesome. We'll see you down the
Safe
road.
travels.
Oh, you want hugs too? And we'll see you too, Frank. Thanks for saying hi to me. Oh, you wagging. Oh, it was so good to see you.
Yeah.
I know you don't like being pet, so I'm just gonna hopefully see you soon. See you, dude.
Come on.
I don't think he wants to get up out of the dirt.
He's like, the sun is amazing. Come on.
There you go.
Come
Oh.
He's so heavy if he does that. Okay, can we load up?
Get a little assist, Frank.
Come on.